So I've started collecting cardboard boxes. I'm getting cardboard boxes that would be thrown away, and disposed of. But I'm going to take the cardboard boxes home because we're going to use them to lay on the ground, right? And then we're going to put our raised bed gardens over the cardboard and fill it with good compost dirt. So that's my reasoning for collecting cardboard. So anyway, one place I like to get cardboard and other treasures too, of course, is the dumpster. So I'm coming out just to see. Yeah, looks like a bunch of beer cans. But anyway, just look in the dumpsters, see what I can see. If there's any good cardboard, hey, cardboard, then I would need to just grab the boxes. And I'm gonna assume that I could possibly, maybe, get enough cardboard just today to at least do one 4-foot by 8-foot raised bed. Maybe. I don't know. But we'll see. I don't know how. Once we break out the boxes and lay them flat, we'll find out. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my little thing for pulling stuff out of the dumpsters, and I'm gonna grab these boxes and then I'm gonna wander down there. Look in that dumpster. Oh, I got these 2 dumpsters I might look into as well. But there's a few dumpsters down through there. I might find me some cardboard boxes. But for now, I'm going to concentrate on what I can get fairly close. So I've broken down a couple of boxes here. These were cups, little boxes that cups have come in. This little box that Donut Shop Coffee had come in. Got a box that coffee creamers came in. I got a flat piece of cardboard that was just laying around. Alright, so I'm going to venture out to the dumpster again. Alright, I'm going in for some cardboard boxes. I'm going to set up my phone right here so that you can see what's going on. And let's see if I can get the store open. There we go. Let me reach in there. See if I can get some cardboard boxes. Alright, now got one. Got a bunch of stuff in it. Let me reach down in there. Alright, so look at that, man, this thing's full of stuff. I don't know if I want any of that. Let me look at it just to see. A hippopotamus. Okay, cool. Like some insulation, some other stuff. Oh, it's in ends. Kristen. Alright. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, dumping all that out. Oh, look at that. Alright, let me get these boxes out. Alright, I'm going to go around the other side and get that other big box. Tell you what, this thing comes in handy. Come on, box. Somebody puts cigarette butts on this one. Jack. And there's a couple of little boxes down in there. I don't know if I can grab those or not. Let's see. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Got my hippopotamus. Boy, I'm making a lot of noise. I'm gonna wake up all the neighbors. Jacklings. Come on, box. Come on, box. You can do it. Let's see. I'll tell you. The things I go through just for a box. Oh well. Okay, that one's small anyway. But look at that, man. I got me a couple of good boxes here. Box doubles as last minute diorama. Anyway, I got some boxes. And I got this one too. Look at that one. I guess that's close to 4 foot wide, maybe from end to end. Maybe, I don't know. Unfold that, it'd be half of a 4 by 8 square foot garden. So what I need to do now is break down these boxes and break them down and see if I can get them in my trunk. In the trunk. The trunk of my car. All right. Ta-da. All right, I'm getting ready to pack it up in the car. See if I can get that back seat full. These seem to be pretty clean, so I'm just going to go ahead and break them down, fold them up, put them back there. That way when I find more, then maybe I'll be able to, you know, put some in the trunk, which I have room in there because I took all my tools out. So I'm going to get these in there. So that's what I got out of the dumpster. I got it all broken down and folded up and put in my trunk. So I got plenty of room. Even got my hippopotamus. Jeez. Alright. So in here, that's what I got from inside. So there, it's cleaner. So that's what I got going on. The mighty, mighty hippo. The mighty, mighty hippo. This reminds me. Hippo reminded me that I need to bring my shirts and my pants back up here so that we can have Cintas dry clean them. Because all my clothes are dirty. Mighty hippo. Mighty. I haven't looked in the freezer in a while. I wonder what's in there. I hardly ever put anything in the fridge. I'll take a peek in there to see what's in there. Hippo! What are you doing? Get out of the freezer. Jeez. Oh, you're so cold. What, you got hot outside and you had to come here and cool off, huh? Jeez. Alright. Mighty, mighty hippo. Mighty, mighty hippo. You know what? I just love finding stuff like this. That's a treasure. Not only did I get some cardboard, but I got a mighty, mighty hippo.